So can I order a ghost pepper meal
Ghost pepper meal, is that what they coffee drink?
with Coke, yeah, and 10 pieces of chicken nuggets. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am doing the comparison between Burger King spicy chicken and McDonald's. They have a new limited time offer, ghost pepper, 3 sandwiches which are going like the spicy. So I picked the ghost pepper one. So that's the ghost pepper spicy sandwich. I have to taste it. So what I see, I just see sauce, lettuce, and the chicken patty. That's it. Looks wise, like in the ad, it looks so good. But when I took it to take out, so not very pleasing to the eye, I would say. Let's see how the tastes like. It has good spicy kick to it, like really good. If you're looking for a really spicy chicken burger, this one is good. How it's compared to the Burger King, that we will see later. But yeah, appearance wise, not that great. Taste wise, okay. McDonald's is famous for their fries, but I do not like their fries. Why? See the size of it. It's just like dehydrated fried. Nothing special with their fries, but size wise, I don't like the size. Taste wise, okay, not so great. So I'm also going to review chicken nuggets. I bought 10 chicken nuggets from McDonald's. I bought 10 chicken nuggets from Burger King. Let's see the comparison. Now, the difference. So when I was doing the takeout, the lady asked me if you want sauce. So I told them that yeah, barbecue sauce I want. But now I see the pack, there is no sauce. So service wise, not that good. And there was a big lineup on the drive-through, so you have to wait. Okay, this is the review for McDonald's chicken nuggets. So that's the McDonald's chicken nuggets, and let's do a taste test. Okay, so the review is that chicken nuggets are crispy, really soft, they're juicy from inside. It would have been so much good if they would have given me a sauce. Unfortunately, that's where they failed, and they didn't give me the sauce. So overall food review for the meal, the ghost pepper meal, it's good if you're looking for a spicy, chicken sandwich. It's a good thing. Okay, so coming to now Burger King. Let's see how they're. So with Burger King, I ordered the spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. Now, what I see definitely iceberg lettuce. I see the patty, and also I see tomatoes, and again some lettuce with mayo on top and at the bottom. So let's see how this one tastes like. Okay, so the review for the Burger King crispy spicy chicken sandwich is that it's way better. The patty is way better than what McDonald's is giving. There is more stuffing, like there is tomato in it. They're putting mayo both top and at the bottom, which makes it really smooth. And their bun is also without sesame seeds. So I think they're using brioche bun, which is more spicy, soft. Sorry. Now, in terms of flavor wise, if you're comparing the ghost pepper sandwich with Burger King, then McDonald's ghost pepper has more spiciness, more kick to it. But I really like this. Another reason being this. So I bought almost the same thing. Like I bought a meal from McDonald's and chicken nuggets from McDonald's. I bought again a meal from Burger King and chicken nuggets from Burger King. McDonald's charged me $20 and some cents. Burger King charged me $15. So it's Burger King is $5 cheaper, which is really good. And their overall burger is way much better than what McDonald's is giving. Like their patty is more thick than what McDonald's is serving, and that's really good. Okay, now time to review the Burger King chicken nuggets. So that's the size for Burger King chicken nuggets. Now these guys, they asked me the same question. Do you want sauce? Actually, they give me the sauce, which is awesome, guys. Not like McDonald's, they just forgot to put the sauce. So I have a buffalo sauce over here, so let's try with this. So nuggets wise, if I'm just comparing two chicken nuggets, Burger King chicken nuggets and McDonald's chicken nuggets, definitely McDonald's chicken nuggets are more soft. Crispiness for both of them is the same level, but softness wise, McDonald's chicken nuggets are better. They're a little bit more juicier than Burger King's chicken nuggets, and again they're soft. But again, there's one more thing. Flavor wise, Burger King chicken nuggets, just without the sauce, they are better. McDonald's fries are far better than Burger King fries. So guys, in the end, I think it's your personal choice whether you choose McDonald's, whether you choose Burger King. But in doing my comparison, overall thing, I really like Burger King because one, it's $5 cheaper than McDonald's. Their actual sandwich to sandwich comparison, Burger King is better. If you're looking for spiciness, only for spiciness I'm talking, then yes, McDonald's wins. On chicken nuggets comparison, if you're looking for flavorful, then Burger King chicken nuggets are better. If you're looking for soft and juicy chicken nuggets, then go with McDonald's. In the end, it's a tight competition for that, but I think overall I would say Burger King wins. So that's the comparison. If you like this video, please share this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please guys. And thank you very much, and take care. Bye.